Hi there. For people those who don't know me, I'm Venu Madhav. I'm a 12th grade guy. The thing is, I've gone through a book called Lessons Taught by Life, written by John Robert. So, after completing the book, I realized I should make a video about it because the information is so precious. The information is related to exams and life. Exams are something which people really hate, and life is something which people are really serious upon it. So they take exams and make life more serious. So I thought of making a video about it and reaching it to people, not for views but for better clarity. So there you go. Point number one: exam marks are not a representation of intelligence or potential. The way the education system is built, you are only being tested for your ability to work hard. Moreover, in India, you are being tested for your ability to ratta mug up. This is not how life works. Yes, life requires you to work hard, but life only requires you to work hard in one or two subjects. No matter how bad a student you are, there is that one subject you can enjoy. It could be art or physical education. In the modern day, you will be required to master just that one subject in order to make a decent career in the society. Don't let your overall aggregate affect your mood. If your mathematics grades pull you down, don't worry. Who knows whether you might become a graphic design entrepreneur. Dear friend, life is all about focusing on your strengths. And strengths are always an outcome of subjects you enjoy. Life will not really test you on your weak subject, but remember to work hard. May your so-called bad marks leave you with that one lesson. Work in order to earn recognition. Number two, don't let those voices dull your shine. Parents, teachers put pressure on us because they want us to be the best for our future. Back in their time, those grades, results, they were meant a lot for the careers. But in our time, grades, college and exam results mean a lot only for the beginning of a career. Opportunities, career options and career requirements are totally different now. In today's day and age, even if you begin your career at the bottom of the pile, a desire to learn new skills and the hunger to grow will definitely make you a successful human being. If a relative has told you that you will be affected by your bad marks, please understand that they are speaking based on their perspectives. That is, they are speaking based on their time. Yes, marks do represent about how much time and effort you put into your studying process, but they aren't the exact representation of how much time and effort you're putting into your career making process. Any exam marks conversations will be forgotten in a month or so. Don't let your marks define your identity. Life is really long. You are going to look your exams as tiny moments in the big timeline of your life. What you do after your education will count way more than what you do while still you're in school. But just know this: promise yourself to never become the person who has no purpose, no drive, no hunger for growth. There's nothing less attractive or less magnetic than that. Bad marks may be excused, but a bad attitude in life is unforgivable. Not by the society, but by the older version of you. Number three, school teaches you life, but not subjects. 10 years from now, the memories that you will have retained from your school days or college days will not be related to your exams. They'll be related to your school life experiences. They'll be related to your college life experiences. Dear friend, remember one thing: life's greatest experiences are not at all learned from textbooks. They are learned in the lunch break conversations. You learn communication skills. On the sports field, you learn humility, teamwork and health. Of course, when you're rejected by your crush, you learn how to face rejection. During punishment and detention, you learn morals and discipline. Again, when teachers talk to you about life, but not about subjects. You're learning how to build proper mindset and psychology. This is the reason you go to school. That grueling examination is just to teach you the modern world's biggest requirement, that is work ethic. Exams are methods to teach students to work hard, that is, in our language it's study, to get rewards like good results, trophies, medals, etc. They are simply meant to be a simulation of life. But a life that's only about work ethic is an incomplete one, my friend. Yes, your work ethic and sense of purpose is crucial in order to get respect in society. But respect without happiness and peace means nothing. All those random skills like health, discipline, teamwork, etc., they count for far more in life than all those exams. I'm not saying that exams are bad, but exams are not everything. So, if you're feeling low about your marks, chin up, my friend. Life has only begun. As long as you have got even an ounce of positivity after listening to me, just understand that you will be alright. Okay? Don't take exams as a stressful thing. They are just a part of life. Like happiness, anger and sadness, they are just a part of life. ठीक है? ज़्यादा टेंशन मत लेना. ठीक है? This is Venu Madhav signing off.